What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining today's video. It's going to be a very short one. If you've been going through the playlist so far up to now, you must have gone through a lot of information. But I just decided to put this short one out there to make you understand that just because you've been watching these videos does not translate to knowledge. You need to put your hands on your keyboard and actually write these programs, okay? So it is not enough just because you've been going through the videos, you've been looking at my examples, even the GitHub links, you've been downloading them. It's not enough. It's never enough. Remember, 10% of your time spent on watching the videos, you need to spend 90% of your time in actual practice and coding. And that is when you know you haven't done. If you haven't coded, you haven't even started. Or rather, you have got a long way to go. Okay. So all those videos you've been watching up till now, if you know you haven't been writing code, you've not been pressing your keyboard, you've not been typing code, you've not been making mistakes, debugging errors, go back to the beginning and begin to take those steps. It's very important. It is never enough to just watch the videos. You need to practice. And as you do that, you notice yourself improving, and also it's easier for you to recollect the things you've been studying. Okay, because you could be writing hundreds of lines of code and there could be an error, and that error might just be a full stop or a comma that is somewhere. But if you don't practice, you're unlikely to gain mastery of these seemingly little things, little details. So practice is very important. To be relevant in this for a long time, it's important you have a focus. There must be something that led you into wanting to read about this. I've seen people that are in other fields, maybe finance, and engineering, science, and they want to take a program on Python. And I always ask them, when you're done learning Python programming, it's also important to you that you know what you want to apply that knowledge for. It's not enough just to read about it. You need to also apply knowledge. And in terms of application, it's broad. If you're dealing with image processing, it means that after you've understood basic Python, you need to start learning about how to handle images in Python and also how to train models to recognize images. For example, you can train a model to recognize cars. Maybe it's a SUV or a mini car, or if it's a bicycle or a scooter. These things are possible in the area of image recognition. And you need to have understood the basic Python before you go to specialize in this space. What if you are going into maybe banking? Maybe you want to start writing models to predict customer churn prediction models. These are models that predict the reason, predict how the outflow of customers from a business. It means if you are done with this, you need to understand file handling. So you need to have started doing file handling projects so you can manipulate files, data frames, and how to work with them, and build models that are relevant to areas like this. What if you are dealing with signal processing and music or pictures in machine learning or Python programming? It means that you need to build towards those models that can help you translate your signals, your audio or video files into readable formats by the system, and then you begin to work on it and translate it back to the audio or video. So there's an encoding and decoding process involved in this. So don't forget, no matter how much you've read, if you don't take time, put your hands on, if you don't practice, you got to go like 90% of your time if you don't practicing. If you don't do this, you're not likely to be very solid. Okay, so keep that in mind. Practice, practice, practice makes perfect. If you've not been practicing all through this series you've been going through, you need to go back and begin to practice. So that's it for today, guys. I just thought I'd give you this few updates. See you in the next video.